Hello guys, I just want to share another small pickup what I just made today. Nothing spectacular, but there is always something. As you can see, like nice heavy old style radiators. There's one under as well, so 1, 2, 3, 4 of it. And this box, actually it's my today pickup. Some alu list, some copper wires, some plumbing stuff, ramps, and yeah, that's it. And two nicest things what fall out from radiators I find today, it was this one. And got two bodies in here. Cool stuff. Yeah, made in China. How nice those are. Anyway, yeah. I also get some slide doors. This actually I will use. I will hang it in entrance to my basement, so at winter time I can keep the warm inside. Will be good, I believe. Better than nothing. Anyway, so that was it. And those radiators and those cables and all those stuff in this box actually came out of my new project, renovation project, what I just started today. So I get rid of all radiators from the flat and connect the electric installation, and yeah, that's basically it what I do today. So, and I decide actually to make video about those renovation. So I already filmed it how it was looking before I came in. So today I begin to take all installation out. So next one I will make when I finish with taking away all these installations, and then I will proceed with making videos, and at the end, I believe after a few weeks, I will put it all together so you can see before and after effect. So that's little plan. I'm actually about to finish the second project. It is almost done. We need only to just like clean up a little more, and then yeah, we'll be ready to move in. Anyway, I didn't make so many pictures or videos before we start on the last one, but I don't know, maybe I find some pictures and make some short video about this what we're finishing now. But this will be like big project, so total renovation I think will be nice. So after a few weeks I put it all together. I hope you will enjoy that. So like, anyway, for now this is my today's pickup. 4 radiators and some box with cables and other stuff, all goodies. So I would say take care guys, have fun, and see you on the next